Alofa, excuse me, bank manager. Have you got $100 I can borrow?
No, sorry, mate. I haven't got that. Sorry.
What about 50 cents?
Look, I'm sorry, mate. I don't have that either.
Oh, Shirley, you don't have 50 cents and you're wearing a suit. Hey, Shirley. Hey, your face looks familiar. How's your mom?
I'm sorry?
Your mom's name is Losa, huh?
Yes.
And your dad's name is Fuki Fuki, huh?
Yeah. You know my mum and dad?
Of course, I know everyone in your family. You see, your auntie Losa, from Falevao, is married to Kuka, and your other beautiful auntie from Savai, Auntie Singer, is married to Petro,
Yeah. Now, yes, I remember my Uncle Petro. He was a big chief in Samoa, and I always wanted to meet Uncle Petro.
Don't worry, because now you have.
What? You're Uncle Petro?
Of course, in the flesh.
Oh, man, Uncle.
Yeah, all right. I'm just waiting for the bus here to go to town, to muck around,
Oh, well, that's good. You can come on the bus with me.
Right, but, I always have problem with paying the bus fare to go to town.
Oh, no, that's all right, Uncle.
Charlie,
that's all right.
Save your money for your kids.
My uncle.
It's
all right, yeah. It's okay.
Your grandmother from Savai, she's got cancer now.
Yeah, well, tell her I said hello.
But she want more than hello.
Oh, I see what you mean now, Uncle, yes. No, that's okay. That's all right, that's okay.
My kids can't afford their school uniform because they are too much mucking around.
Oh, no, I get you, Uncle. That's all right. Take your kids to Kmart and buy some couscous.
I surely gotta buy. Shirley, it's my bus. Your bus, Shirley. Over! Alofa. Your face looks familiar. How's your mom?
Uncle,